My fair. Fair.
Oh yeah, give vlog. Give vlog. Come with me as I go by. Hey, this. We are tasting this today. Pop. Maltona and Marapo.
And Marapo.
Adiberek. Amarek sorry. Today we're trying the fruits. Yeah, but it's over. Yeah.
Because of all the cats that they said, the Lord whatever.
Oh, I just don't know. It's very cool. I don't know what we want them hot. We want it hot now. There's bones. I see bones. I saw kekere. So we'll decide. Kapija. This year we must I'll try the answer and go put it again. So today we'll be rating it. We'll see. We'll be rating it. I know. And the plate, it can't be more than $50. We'll ask. We'll ask. Or have a work in Raga pay. It's happy. It's happy. I think I'm gonna go for the Malconas. Eh? What do you think? I think I'm gonna go for fish, but the chicken also looks lovely though. And the bones. Can we have 3 in 1? Once. Like an mix. Mix it.
Mix. 6 na 8. Okay, in mixer it's either chicken or Montana or Marab. Okay.
Ish, Montana they look lovely, oh.
Where's the Montana le Marab?
Yeah, it's fine. Mum kekerepa what tastes like that.
Montana Marab. Montana ne le Marab.
Once. 8. 80, right? 8. 8 wara. Oto futuma zake marapo. Futuma zake marapo. Take away, yes. Nkakerepa ke tla zama next time.
Okay.
Yeah, no way.
So
I feel like Montana will be go to a bit of chili. Yeah.
go marapo ne.
Yeah. Picky chilies. Fetsa mo ya robala. After this meal, I'm telling you.
How after a million you better cut one fa.
Oh, don't so.
Yeah, yo to gaso. Ba zum khadli na libyang na.
Koto.
Na especially to me.
Hi, I'd rather have hot chocolate or something. Oh,
Yeah, mixture of the day, marapo na maotwa.
yeah. At the bones meet you. Marapa.
Oh, menyana kau.
Ene bawa fish apa? Hard pap.
So I like it.
Yo, ne? I hardly get excited.
I know that's what I'm saying.
We are.
What la mufu? It's lunchtime.
Quite fish I'm said them.
No, we are perform straight. We are perform straight. 40, 60, and 80. Okay, let's go to tune.
Up one.
Okay, let's get ready for part 2. Don't judge us. Oh no, pap. No. What are we having here? It's the bones.
No one is choosing violence. I think it's time
Okay. Looks lovely.
Give me your chromosome. My friends were born into this life.
I'm waiting for the mouthwaters. They look scrumptious.
In this moment, I spent 17 years now that I have it.
Here is the Maltonas.
Okay. So this is the meat that we are having. So try. Marapo, bones, beef bones, and chicken feet with chicken cables. Bon appetit. Didn't wash my hands.
Really? I love your
Didn't
little
you?
spider pet thing. So big. So Allegra and I have been working on this really cool project. Oh my god, no. Wait,
Small.
film me. Film Allegra.
The pub itself is so
after telling
nice.
her about my church's clothing drive, she generously pledged to donate her entire wardrobe to low-income women in need. The Salvation Army. Everybody give it up for Allegra, right? Yeah. Love you. So proud of you. I love you, Dad.
choose them up. Start with the bones.
All raise our glasses. Great Torres and to her bright future.
I wonder about Johanna Kumar. Wow.
Am I gonna play that?
Oh, you got some jokes, huh? You got some jokes.
People like watching people eat. Just get to when you're not into content, but so they wanna fuck up your vibe.
Do you have any regrets?
I love it. You know, this is the best decision we've made today.
I'm sure you trim your hair.
Get that.
I don't believe that one hand actions really out there. I'm not gonna just come from a random restaurant to my birthday dinner just because another restaurant is made for the menu. It makes no sense. Like, she's so selfish. Sorry, am I being paranoid
Even the seasoning, like about Arizona, with soy and everything. It's balanced. The pop. What's the pop? Like the pop slaps. That's the smokiness, Nyana Bola.
Baby, come on, I would never do this.
This is bullshit. Sorry, your mother enjoyed this? She works nights, so she's Drea, I want you to know this brings me absolutely no pleasure. If you had just come to me when you saw the video, would you have said this is my fault? The video? Of course not. The way you handled it, that leaves much to be desired. Drea, we all have hard truths to tell. Yours is that your peers have the luxury of operating their own. You don't. The only way for you to get ahead is to
I wonder if Bashiman Bali play the mix by Rekan, but we fit about it now. But it's possible.
It's possible. Umuntu ulola kumngane ngalo. No, no,
you have any altercation,
it's a bit thick.
I will have no choice but to revoke your suspension.
And then it's also there, so yeah, we got it fit.
Now
Tuana.
channel that anger into enjoyment.
Kalu Jamoto Namnatis, happy lake in Kano, what was starting in it.
Peeking in high school is cringe anymore.
Well, it took me all of 45 minutes to realize this was a huge mistake. I was a Billie Jean King in a sea of Maria Sharapova's, but my pilgrimage wasn't for
Now,
nothing. I am
Niki Mutsur
tired
Amune
of
Litata na.
change, and it all started with her. No, not her. She doesn't know it yet, but we're about to become Are you listening to us? Just have like a really weird energy. I don't know what to do with that. My therapist, the beloved Dr. Grudge, says that hurt people hurt people. But I just don't think that applies to teenage girls. I think sometimes they're just It was Erica. The one who showed everyone that video.
Wow.
Pray for Erica.
Pop one down. And the bones are not moving yet. We are tunneling them out one another.
The Maltona are nicer than the bones. The bones are nice, but the Maltona is nicer than and the cables are connecting.
I'm the slut on probation. He and his tiny little dick got away scot-free. I was getting away scot-free. I know. When I was 13, to take him to school and she insisted on this untouchable plate. She couldn't. I pretty much already knew this, but I haven't told her.
Excuse me.
This career. She wanted me to validate my existence or something, but take care of her. It was great. She made me feel so free and comfortable and safe. And before I knew it, I told her that I was there. And it felt amazing. I mean, it was the single greatest moment of my life. But I guess it wasn't as safe as I thought. Because she told everyone that I tried to hold her down and kiss her once. Yeah. Not that she had me, I didn't care. I really was fucking care. She turned me into this predator. Come to me. She was pregnant. No, she actually goes to her school. Really? Clarissa Jones? Wait, that crunchy granola loaf. Damn. I mean, by your own teeth. What the fuck was that? It just really helps. You should try it. It'll really help. And that's I don't even think about my sister. It's back to the name of almost maybe helps you access this part. Fuck. You really had that turn out, huh?
Pap. Go on.
Do you want grilled cheese?
Only the shable left. Second pap.
Depends on where. Anyway, not like me. Whole life
Raja shable.
working to ensure I have a future. Can't mess this up. I was rolling my own time. What about friends?
Okhone yakho ZCC ku Kaalfotein.
I realize how much power he has.
That's where we got the food. Actually.
You know, he makes you feel so safe and protected, but all conditional on you clearing your own
Action.
which I thought I was doing, but I guess not. You all love emotional service. There's some fun. What about you? Why would you want to go to school with some bitch who ruined your life? I begged to go to Kaalfotein for well, as much as I like to play for them, he also doesn't matter how to play. Shots, and they think that Rob's got the background. I'm dreading it.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Leslie De Young, and today I'm introducing you guys to my new show on YouTube. It's called Culture with Leslie, and then that's where I'm going to be reviewing music, movies, food, and some of my favorite things, man. So please stay tuned to the screen because I'm going to bring you some vibes, some fire. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just stay hold, stay there, stay there.